Tired of that stubborn belly fat? Here are the ultimate tricks to help you melt it away. First, let's talk food. Embrace whole foods like veggies, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. They fuel your body and keep you full longer. Next, prioritize healthy fats. Think avocados, nuts, and olive oil. They help regulate metabolism and curb cravings. Now let's tackle sugar. Cut out added sugars from your diet. They're sneaky culprits in belly fat gain. And don't forget portion control. Even healthy foods can add up. Stay hydrated. Water boosts metabolism and reduces bloating. On to exercise. Height workouts are your best friend. Short, intense bursts that torch calories fast. Add strength training. More muscle means more calories burned even at rest. Mix in some cardio. Aim for 150 minutes a week. Engage your core with exercises like planks and mountain climbers. Stay consistent and patient. Results take time, but they're worth it. Remember, combining a balanced diet with strong workouts creates a powerful synergy. Track your progress and celebrate your wins. You got this. Let's crush those fitness goals together.